This is a demonstration how to set up a Chewbarka pet ID tag in an IM4 engraving machine using the Quick Click software. We're going to create a new file by selecting the Create New File button and then the check mark. Do you want to replace the existing design? Yes, I do. It's going to bring us to our drawing program, and here on the upper right we have a section that says Area to Engrave. I'm going to click that, and it's going to take us to this next screen, which is confirming communications with the machine. And we have our IM4, and it's saying that this is the plate. And we have our plate here, and what it's asking us to do, it wants to go to the first corner of the plate, and we're going to press our check button. So we'll take the machine, and we're going to bring it over with our buttons here on the bottom, and we're going to come over, and we'll bring our Z down. How you bring the Z down is you push the Z button, and then you press the down key. Bring it down a little more. Now to press it back, we're going to shut the Z off by pressing the Z button, and we'll bring it up a little higher. And that looks like a good corner right there. And from there we'll put our check button. And it's found the first section, and we'll come down to the opposite side. Once again, pushing our this way. That looks good. Then we'll bring it down this way. And that's our bottom right hand corner. Push our check button, machine will come back up. And you can see, there it is. That's the engraving area. That's how simple it is to set up. I didn't have to measure anything. I just went in there and I told the top left, bottom right, and away it went. I'm going to click in here, and first thing I do is tell it what the height of the text is going to be. And we're going to say 0.18. And we're going to hit enter. And you can see the icon got smaller. So we'll type in there Chewbarka. There's Chewbarka. Now watch this. Cool auto condensing. That is awesome. We're going to hit our enter key, and I'll put my phone number in there. And we'll go -248-5977. What? Auto condense. Thank you very much. Now we're going to change the text on the bottom by double clicking. It will all turn red. And we'll pick our font. And our font, we're going to just choose a very simple Roman 4-line font. There we go. That's how simple it is. Now we have a tag all pre-programmed. Boundaries are in there. It will engrave inside the tag. And we'll click our engraving tab. It's going to find the machine. It's ready to receive. On our top here, we're going to shut off the regulating nose. We're not going to be using that. We're going to be diamond drag engraving. So we're going to click this. And we have this icon here that's already lit, and that's our positioning. That's our center floating origin. That's the center of what we told the top left and bottom right to do. That's all set. So we'll come here, and for this demo we're just going to simply choose anodized aluminum. And we have all our parameters set. Auto Z reference. Let the machine tell us where the top of the plate is. We're going to send it to the machine. And wait for it to beep. It has beeped. And we'll push our green button. First thing it will do is it'll come down, find the top of the part, and it will engrave. It's really that simple. There's nothing fancy what I did. I just told with the top left, bottom right. That's the engraving area. It comes up on the screen, and away it goes. So while that's running, I can go back here and set up my next tag. Or what I can show you also is how to save this tag. So I'll come down here to my little folder file, and I'm going to say here, save the active file. I'm going to click that radio button, and you can see what you've drawn is in your little dialog box. And I'm going to put in here XL bone. That's our extra large bone. And click our check mark, and it's there. So the next time you need that program, this is how simple it is. All I have to do is come to our file. I'm going to opening an existing file, and it's my extra large bone. I'm going to click it there. It's going to show me what it is, and then I'm going to check it off. Do you confirm replace the existing design? Yes, and there it is. It's all set. So if I want to change this, I want to put in a different pet's name. I want to put Luke, L-U-K-E. And I don't like the way the L looks, so I'm just going to go there. I'm going to capitalize it. That's it. We come down here, double click this, and we can change the phone number. Oh, got to put the dash. Dash 555 dash 5555. Now watch, auto condense. Thank you. All done. And from there, we're set for our next tag. So as soon as this tag is all done, which it's almost complete now, we've got the next one ready to go. And that's how quickly you can make an extra large bone tag. It's all done. There's the engraving. And like I said, there's our next one. And we're set to go. And that's our demonstration of how to set the margins on our tags.